Credit card can make you rich, or it can quietly destroy your finances. It depends on how you use it. Hello everyone, I am Mahesh. I work in corporate finance. On Mahiti, we talk about real financial decisions that impact your life. Today, let's decode credit cards. Why credit cards feel attractive? It is because it allows instant purchase, no cash needed, rewards and cashback, EMI options. Credit cards make spending painless, and that is the danger. The minimum due trap. This is the biggest trap. When you pay only minimum due, remaining amount attracts 30 to 42% annual interest. Interest starts immediately and it compounds. So, minimum due is equal to maximum mistake. Let's see how debt snowballs. Example, rupees 50,000 outstanding, 3% monthly interest, late fees. Within months, 50,000 rupees became rupees 70,000 plus. Debt grows faster than salary. When credit card is smart, credit card is powerful if you pay full amount every month, you track expenses, you use rewards wisely, and you don't convert lifestyle into EMI. Use it properly, increases credit score. Who should avoid credit cards? People who impulse shopping, no emergency fund available, and already struggling for savings. Credit card is not good or bad. It is neutral. Your discipline decides the result. If you control the card, it is smart. If card controls you, it is trap.